How to make money in Novelah as a writer. Hello guys, in this video I'll walk you through the processes of how you can make money as a writer in Novelah. Now, as a writer on Novelah, there are several ways you can potentially earn money and gain recognition for your work, and here are the strategies that you can explore. The first thing you can do is that your primary focus should be creating captivating novels that resonate with readers. All right, the more engaging your stories, the more likely they are to attract a loyal audience. So you can consider exploring different genres such as romance, fantasy, mystery, or science fiction. Fiction. Find your niche and create content that excites your readers. Now, once your story is exciting, by the time you click on ranking, your story will be amongst the highest ranked novels, and if it is highest ranked, you'll definitely earn more as a writer on the Novella app. So you can also participate in paid writing programs. So keep an eye out for any writing contest or promotional events on Novella that offer monetary rewards. All right. And then you must also note that novellas allow writers to publish both free and premium chapters. Okay. And right readers can unlock premium content by using in-app currency such as coins and app and gems. And then when writers spend currency to access your premium chapters, you earn a share of that income. And then you can only unlock premium chapters after you've written for a while and you've earned the feature on your app as a writer. Okay, so you can also interact with your readers through comments, through authors notes and social media. Encourage your readers to leave reviews and share your novels with them. And then once they leave reviews, ensure you communicate with them so as to also increase more engagement on your novels. All right, so you can also promote your work. Yeah, use social media platforms to promote your novels, share snippets, cover arts, and updates about upcoming novels. Collaborate with other writers, bloggers, or influencers to cross promote each other's work. All right, so this is the basic ways of how you can earn more on Novella as a writer. Thanks for watching and have a good day.